Hi students, it's Dr. Newmark here. I am recording you this video at the beginning of week 16. So this is the last week of classes, and then the week after this is finals week. This week is all about completing your portfolio. And I just want to say, as I'm recording this video, there is a certain 5-year-old child sitting on the floor of my office playing. So if you see a head pop up here and there or some toys make noise, that's what's going on. Sorry, the production values on the video are kind of low as a result, just the background noise. Anyway, on topic, I want you to know that I expect that this week you will be polishing up the reflections on the student learning outcomes. Those are the 9 items that should be in a menu bar or in the left-hand sidebar if you use the Google Sites template for your portfolio. Throughout the semester, you wrote reflections on all 9 of them. Now you need to go back in this last week and make sure that for each of the 9 student learning outcomes, you have at least 3 paragraphs, 1 per major project. So you'll have 3 paragraphs for each one related to project 1, 1 related to project 2, and 1 related to project 3, and you need to use very specific evidence of how you worked towards proficiency in that SLO or how you were exposed to it. Also, this week you need to make sure that your resume and your bio statement are done and that they are easily located on the landing page of your Google site. Or other website if you used Wix or Weebly or WordPress. Make sure that I can easily find them. If any of this sounds confusing to you, please go back and watch the video in the portfolio segment of our Learn page because I go through all of this and I show you examples from previous students' work. Now finally, the big thing that you need to accomplish this week, which is again brand new work, perhaps you started it last week, was writing the 2-page final course reflection memo. Now, this memo pulls together all of your learning from the whole course and speaks specifically to your learning in SLOs 2 and 9. I recorded a specific video for the final course reflection memo, and that is also in our portfolio section of Learn, so if you have any questions about that. Now, the final portfolio itself is due on the Monday of finals week. So you still have over a week from the day that I'm recording and sharing this video with you. I am going to be around. I mean, I'm at home, right? I'm going to be accessible. You can schedule a Zoom, Google Hangouts, Skype, FaceTime meeting with me, and I'm happy to look over your portfolio as it's developing, and I'm happy to look at your final reflection as it's developing if you have any questions and want my feedback. I'd love to meet with you this week. I'd love to hear from you. So that's basically it. I just wanted to provide a little bit more of a reminder about what's involved in the final course portfolio, which you're working on this week and turning in a little over a week. And so before I sign off, I'll say I've just been so impressed with your perseverance, all of you, through this really chaotic time. I've been honored to teach you. I'd love to see you virtually or in person, if that resumes, in a class in our technical and professional communication program. We have a minor and a certificate, and I direct both of those options. So if you have any questions about our courses or the career path in technical and professional communication, please reach out to me. The last thing I want to say is I emailed you all about the course evaluations. If 80% of our class fills out the course evaluation, I'll give everybody 1 percentage point additional on the final grade in the course. So that could be the difference from a, sorry for the noise, the difference between a B- and a B, or a B plus and an A-. So it could make a difference. So by Friday of this coming week, the last week of classes, try to complete the course evaluation. I really do take that information to heart. Again, I might send you one more video or several more emails. I'm sure I will. But I've loved working with you, and please feel more than comfortable reaching out to me this week.